Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my TED Talk, or my digital inquiry library session video thingamajigger. So, for my library session that I went to this. It is Poe's Shadows. It was like what is called an immersive theatrical installation. So, what it was is it was in the Moss Art Center. It was like this big box that you go inside, and it's somebody read The Raven to you by Edgar Allan Poe, but it was like you were in this box, and there were like screens on all four walls and like the ceilings and stuff, and you could see birds flying around, and like you could hear the sounds the birds made, and you could obviously hear the person narrating it. So I went to that, and then I went to a talk given by Mike Rohn, who is a professor at Tech in um, industrial design, I think. And so he gave a talk about like ambiosonics, which is like 3D audio, which is pretty much where people are recreating like real life sound. So when you go outside and you're walking around, you don't just hear things coming straight at your face, right? You hear things from all around you. So that's what they were trying to recreate with this cube. Um, it did a good job. It was really interesting. I had never experienced a story that way. It wasn't really like a movie. It was different. So you just kind of go in there and you stand, you walk around a little bit, but it's really just an immersive like storytelling. So I think it could be really useful for all types of education, not just history. I mean, obviously for history, something really cool to do would be if you could find a way to go into that and have like maybe a Civil War battle or some historical place that you could go to and you could hear like the sights and sounds of a certain time period, like maybe the different languages that people spoke, maybe like the sounds that would be different. So like maybe a blacksmith hitting an anvil, um, different things like that. But and then obviously this example was good for English because Edgar Allan Poe. So yeah, overall it was really good. I would recommend if they reopen it, you go see it. But it was on October 31st at noon, so the exhibit is closed now. But um, 3D sound, cool, educationally forward thinking. Definitely something to keep your eye on. So I hope you enjoyed my TED Talk.